Hello, grade 3. How are you today? Hope you are fine. Today our lesson is about the area. Let's know what does it mean area. Area is how to count or multiply square units to find the area, or the number of the square units needed to cover the figure or the surface of the figure. The square unit means what? It's a square with a side length of one unit, and it's the unit used to measure the area. Okay? These are the square unit. So, how many square units inside this figure or this shape? Let's count 1, 2, 3 until we reach 12. So the area equals 12 square units. Okay? I've got two ways in order to show the area. The first way is to count square units inside the figure like this. And the second way is to find the area of the figure by using rows and columns, or how many inside each row. So look at this figure. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 4 rows. And how many columns? I've got 3 columns. Okay? So the area equals rows by columns. 4 by 3, or 4 by how many? Number of square in each row. So 4 times 3. So it's equal 12 units. So I've got the same figure, but I use different strategies or different way to show the area. Let's see the first example. How many square units were used to make these figures? Let's see the first one. How many rows? Let's see. Let's count. It's 4. How many in each row? I've got 1, 2. So it's 2. Okay, I'm gonna use the multiply method. So 4 times 2 equals 8. The second one. Let's see here. How many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will write 4 rows. How many in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 multiply 4 equals 16. Again, one more time. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5 rows. And how many in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 5 rows, 4 in each row, or 4 columns. So give me 20. Let's see the next. One more time. Here we have count or multiply to find the area of each of the following. Okay? He wants me to use the multiply method. Rows by column, or rows by how many in each row. Okay, so I've got 2 rows by how many columns? 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. Let's see the next one. How many rows? 1, 2, 3. So I've got 3. How many columns, or how many in each row? This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 times 4 equals 12. Let's see here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 6. How many columns, or how many in each row? This is 1, 2, 3. 6 times 3 equals 18. One more time. In the next figure, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows. And how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5. 4 times 5 equals 20 square units. Okay? And the rest of the figures, you can do it by yourself. Okay, let's see here the equal area, but I can use the commutative property or commutative multiplication to do this. Okay, there are more than one rectangle that look different but have the same area. Let's see here. How many rows? I've got 3. How many columns? 4. So it's 3 rows of 4. Means 3 times 4 equals 12. Okay, 12 what? The area equals 12 square units. Okay, here we have, I can flip. I make the rows 4 and the columns 3. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many columns? 3 columns. Okay, so 4 times 3, you find the same area. Okay, because I have a commutative property in multiplication. Okay, I can flip between the columns and rows. Here we have, again, 2 times 6. Okay, I've got the same area. Okay, I know that 2 times 6 equals 12. So I can make another rectangle with the same area, but different. Looks different. Okay, how many rows? 2. How many columns? 6. 2 times 6 equals 12 square units. Here we have, use the commutative property to draw 2 different rectangles of the following dimensions, multiply to find the area. Okay, first one, as we have 2 units and 3 units, make this as 2 units as row, and this is for the columns, 2 times 3. So I will draw 2 rows, this is 1, 2, and 3 columns, 1, 2, 3. So I will draw this is. So I find the area equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 2 times 3 equals 6 as well. I need to do it using different strategy. What do we have here? I can equal 6. Okay, I can flip. I make the rows 3 and make the column 2. Let's see here. I've got 1, 2, 3. 3 for rows and 2 columns. So I have got the same area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6 square units. Okay, here we have the second example. 3 units and 4 units. 3 times 4 equals 12. The area equals 12. I bought 3 rows and 4 columns. Let's see how to draw it. Yes, it's equals 12. If we count this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12. It's 12. And I can flip, make 4 first, and then 3, 4 rows, and 3 columns like this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 columns. So I've got the same area, yes, because 4 by 3 equals 12 as well. Okay, let's see the next one. Area using dimensions. Okay, if we have, these are called the dimensions. Dimensions mean rows and columns, rows and columns. Okay, this is how many rows? 1, 2, 3. How many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, let's see in the first example. Determine the dimension of each figure, then calculate the area of the figure. Okay, how many columns do we have here? 3. And how many columns do we have? How many rows do we have? 3. So 3 columns and 3, okay, rows. So the area, rows by columns, I make multiply. 3 times 3 equals 9 square units. Okay, go to next one. How many columns? 2. How many rows do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's write. And 2 or 5 rows by columns. 5 by 2 equals 10 square units. Again, look here. How many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many rows? 1, 2, 3. Let's write. 3 times 4. Rows by columns equals 12 square units. Again, let's see here. How many columns? 3. And how many rows? 1, 2. So I will write 3 times 2, or 2 times area, rows by column. 2 times 3 equals 6. Okay? Let's see the next. I can get the area using the number of rows and the number of columns to get the square units inside the figure. However, this figure is not completed, as we see here. Okay, let's see. How many rows? I've got 3. 1, 2, 3. How many columns? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 times 6 equals 18 square units. Here we have 1, 2. I've got 2. 2 rows. How many columns? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 times 8 equals 16 square unit. Okay? Again, the rest of the figures, you can do it by your own. Okay? Let's see here how can we use this property of multiplication to do this, or to find the area. Okay? Distributive property of multiplication. Okay? What does it mean, distributive? Means I will cut the numbers into 2 parts. Okay, look here. I've got this figure. How many rows do we have? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many columns? I've got 7. Okay, so the total area equals 28. So the area equals rows by columns. 4 times 7 equals 28. Okay, I can use this distributive property. Break apart array. Look here. We don't break the row. We will break up the what? Or apart the columns into 2 and 5. I've got in the first shape, I've got 7. And I will cut 7, or break 7 into 2 plus 5. Okay? Look here. So I make 2 arrays. The first array and the second array. Okay. In the first figure, with the blue one, I can measure or calculate the area equals what? 4 times 2 equals 8. Okay? And here we have, how many rows do we have? I've got 4. How many columns do we have? I've got 5. 4 times 5, 20. If I get the sum or plus, make plus for the 2 areas of the small figure and the big figure, we get the whole figure is 28 as above. Okay? Make it with different way, or I cut it by different way. I cut the columns. Okay, I've got 7. 7, I cut it into 3 and 4. 3, do you know 3 plus 4 equals 7? Number of rows is fixed. Don't change. Okay? So how many rows do we have? I've got 4. How many columns in the blue figure? 3. 4 times 3 equals 12. Look at the second array or the second figure with the green one. I've got 4 rows and 4 columns. So 4 times 4 equals 16. If we add 12 plus 16 equals 28 as well. So I get the whole figure. Okay, let's see the next one. Here we have, write the distributive property equation of each. Okay, first of all, 8 by what? Okay, I will write the whole figure with both orange and yellow. Okay, how many rows? How many rows do we have? I've got 8. Let's see how many columns. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many in all? I've got 7. Then I will repeat. Rows is fixed, don't change. I will repeat it here and in this here. I will repeat the number of rows. Okay? Then I will, in the first shape, I will cut it into 2 parts. The first part in orange and the second part in yellow. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will write 5. Then here, how many columns do we have? I've got 2. So I will write 5 orange and 2 yellow. Okay, let's see here. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, how many columns in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I will write in all. And then we will repeat the number of rows in all of them. Okay, and put it between brackets. Then we get the total number of columns, 9. I will break apart in the first part, the purple one. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will write it. Then how many pink do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Who can tell me what does it equal? 6 times 9 equals 54. Okay, equals what? 54. Let's write. 54. You see? Okay. Who can tell me what does it mean, or what does it equal? 6 times 5 equals what? Equals 30. Excellent. Yes, I can hear you. 30. Okay, what does it equal? 6 times 4, it's 24. Excellent. If we add these parts, okay, together, 30 plus 24, let's make draft. 30 plus 24, what does it equal? Start from the ones place. 0 plus 4 is 4. 3 plus 2 is 5. So it's 54. So do you see here? If 6 by 9, I will cut the columns 9, I will cut it into 5 and 4. So I've got the same answer. Okay, the rest of the figure you can do it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and goodbye.